How long a case takes to settle is really dependent on how our client does. Some cases may be resolved very quickly because the injury is something that happens and it's easily understood within a short time frame. But other injuries may just take a really long time to be dealt with. For instance, if an injury happens to a child, the effects long-term of that injury may not be understood until that child becomes an adult, specifically in terms of very serious orthopedic injuries or in terms of a brain injury. The full impact of that injury may not be understood until the child becomes an adult, where you have the full demands of an adult life. So really our files are driven in terms of settlement by how our client does from a medical perspective. So if our client becomes injured and has a very quick recovery, then we will be able to have that file resolved much more quickly than something that requires ongoing treatment. Because once a file is settled, you can't go back later and say, well, we didn't know at the time that this was going to happen. Once it's settled, it's complete. So we like to base our file process and our file management on the pace of the recovery of our clients.